I am so excited because I am headed to meet my marketing team, which is my Arabella Marketing and PR. I now have a PR agent, and she's already made such a difference in my business that I'm super excited today to meet the team, to capture all this amazing content that we'll be bringing in my up-and-coming online courses, which will serve my water experience training, as well as the holistic hair and scalp restoration training and masterclass. So stay tuned as I take you along my journey today. So I'm suited and booted. All right, so I made it to Arizona and we got a big problem. The tap water is super contaminated here. It's like at 450 something TDS. It's like, dang. This got 90 in it. Dang. Like, y'all in trouble out here in Arizona. Water is horrible. It's how I'm pulling up. Premium SUVs is how I roll. There she go. That's my future. Ah, that's my girl. That's Miss Jenna back there. Yeah. Oh my God, a real studio. Oh, I can like goose and stuff. Wait, out. This is nice, nice. This is what a real studio looks like. The preparation has begun. Hey, I'll see you much more frequently, Arizona. Yes, I'll be back. I'll be back.
Does your hair seem dry or brittle? Does your scalp itch or get flaky? Is your hair unmanageable? What if there was one solution in one bottle that will restore your dry or brittle hair, remove the flakes or scalp irritation, and increase manageability, plus eliminates the need for chemical treatments, conditioners, or oils? Would you try it? Well, we would like to introduce you to My Water Hair Solution, the total solution for both your hair and skin.
Components that go into that, because if you told me water is going to change it, I wouldn't